Transform website visitors into leads or customers with eye-catching button-activated pop-ups. Today, we're diving into how to create effective button-triggered pop-ups in WordPress. No coding required. We'll be using a user-friendly plugin to make this a breeze. First, log into your WordPress admin area, navigate to Plugins. Then add New in the search bar, type in Popup, and look for a highly rated plugin that offers button triggers. For this tutorial, we'll use plugin name, but many great options exist. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item for your Popup plugin. Click on it to access the main dashboard. Now, let's create our first pop-up. Look for a Create New Pop-up or Add New button and click it. You'll likely be presented with various templates, or you can start from scratch. This is where the magic happens. We'll focus on designing a pop-up that can be triggered by a specific button on your website. Look for the Trigger or Display settings within the pop-up editor. Select the option for Click on Element or Button Click. Here's the crucial part. You'll need to tell the plugin which button to monitor. You'll enter a CSS selector for that button. Don't worry. This sounds technical, but many themes and plugins make this easy. To find the CSS selector, you can often go to the page where your button is located, right-click on the button, and select Inspect or Inspect Element in your browser. Look for a unique class or ID associated with that button, like Mispecial Button or CTabin. Copy that selector and paste it into the designated field in your pop-up plugin settings. Now, customize your pop-up's appearance, content, and call to action. Add images, text, and a compelling offer to encourage engagement. Next, refine your display settings. Decide where you want this button-triggered pop-up to appear on entire website, specific pages, or even exclude certain areas. You can also set targeting rules, like only showing it to new visitors. Before publishing, use the preview option to test everything. Click on your designated button on the live site to ensure the pop-up appears as expected. Once you're happy, hit Publish. And there you have it. An effective, button-activated pop-up ready to boost your conversions and engagement on your WordPress site.